Hey there, John here from IncomeMesh.com. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. IncomeMesh is all about helping online entrepreneurs find the perfect tools for their next project. Whether you're a blogger, you launch online courses, you do affiliate marketing or e-commerce, I want to help you figure out what is the right email marketing platform for yourself. What is the right hosting account? What is the right way for you to host your online courses and make money online? So on this channel, I'm going to give you as much content, as much value, doing review videos, helping you do some technical tutorials. I also blog about it here on IncomeMesh.com. I've even recently launched a university where I'll launch free courses to help you grow in your own online technical abilities, as well as giving you different conversion optimization tips with free courses and things of that nature. So I kind of want to be your techie, geeky friend, like that guy that for whatever reason, he just likes digging into the weeds and playing with cache settings and trying to make websites just a half a second faster. I don't know why I'm wired that way, but I am. And I know that most people aren't. So let me be the person that's okay getting on camera and talking about it and helping you grow your own online business. I look forward to helping you on this channel and on my blog and in my university. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when I release new videos. And let's go ahead and grow our businesses together.